Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 26th, 2022. We're going to talk about Ideanomics today. I mean, it's been a long time since I did a price prediction into the market in Ideanomics. You guys can see it was back in April of 2021. Actually, I did a video May 21st, 2021 into the market in Ideanomics, and I was still bullish at that particular time. And man, what happens when time goes by? The market has completely fell from where Ideanomics was being traded in 2021 to where it's only around 36 cents now. Crazy. And so many people came through during 2021 telling you all, hey, yeah, buy IDEX. Yeah, because the market is going to go a lot higher. It's a bullish run. They're going to do some fantastic things going into the future. They're anticipating increasing revenue, and look at the price now, 35 cents. So I'm going to give you all an update as to what I think the market's about to do now in Ideanomics, because maybe we might begin to see some bullish indications on the price chart to let us know that, yeah, we may want to get on board. I mean, you can only go so low. The only problem would be for this stock to be delisted because it is trading so low. Now, that is a major thing that could happen. So keep your eyes open on that and don't put a whole lot of money into this, seeing how it is trading below $1. Many of these exchanges, you guys can see, it's traded on the NASDAQ. So I'm quite sure the NASDAQ has notified the people of Ideanomics and told them, look, if you guys can't lift your price of this stock up, we're going to have to delist it. So be prepared for that. That's probably one of the biggest outliers that I can see occurring in this stock if it doesn't begin to lift. So we may begin to see some price action in that regard, just so that it can get up outside of that delisting territory. Hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel if you guys want to join. Also, you guys can see previously we hit that 12.5%, $3.50 right here on the 9th and the 10th of June 2021. So pretty good. Let me go ahead and cut this out and clean this up, because the market in Ideanomics, I mean, look at this. This is wild. Market ran up, hit the top at $5.50 on February the 5th, 2021. And here it is today, 93% loss, decrease. Whoever bought at the top, I hope they sold, because if they're still holding, they are down like 100%, almost 95%. All because of people telling you all to come in and buy the dip. And I haven't been a proponent of that. You know, if the market is trending down, it's going down for a reason. And there's no basis, no foundation, no support until we see buyers come into the market. So you guys can see as I zoom out that the price in Ideanomics is finally coming back down to these lows since 2020. Okay, so that's going to be the first thing we're going to identify. Is the market in Ideanomics coming down here to these lows back in March of 2020. Now, we haven't hit that just yet, right? We're hitting the lows that came in May 2020 and not March of 2020. But we get it. We know where we at. Okay, the market is in a massive downturn. Like, this is so bearish. Nobody's trying to come in and lift this stock up. Nobody. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm your boy. I'm gonna tell you what I think. And look at the chart. Like, that's nasty. That's dog ugly right there. You cannot expect the market to go up when you see nobody, literally nobody's coming in trying to save this stock. Look at this on the weekly chart, right? Look at that. Nobody is trying to come in and buy this stock. So if you guys are seeing any videos telling you to come in and buy Ideanomics because it's about to do a 10x or 100x, don't listen to them, because right now the market is not reflecting that. Now, maybe it might come in eventually, but right now, if the chart was an indication as to what to look forward to, it's telling us, look, it's not here yet. I'm going through the long-term charts, and I'm still seeing the massive weakness come in. Now, what will happen is that usually with these penny stocks, you're going to get these big moves out of nowhere, right? And we should expect that, because look at this. The stock has just been trending down. So it's about time for us to see some life come into the market in Ideanomics for real. Okay, so Looking at this on a smaller term basis, on the hourly chart, you guys can see that not too much is going on. It's a dead market. This is probably one of the reasons why I haven't covered it in so long. It's because it's just continually dead, and we don't play or waste our time on markets that is not giving us any strength, any life, any liquidity, any volatility. Is just going in one direction. Look at that, just a straight shot, just a straight downtrend into the market here. Like, look at that. Anybody gonna come and buy this stock? Anybody? So with the risk of us thinking that Ideanomics can delist, with us seeing how nobody is entering the market trying to buy up this stock, why would we want to come in and participate and think that it's a buy right now? It's not. Now, as time goes on, like I said, yes, the market's going to try to induce itself and begin to lift up because it's not getting any shine. Nobody's paying attention to it. It's a dead stock. And then all of a sudden you get a market move 20%, 30% higher. Then everyone's heads is going to turn and say, okay, what's going on with Ideanomics? You're going to begin to see a whole lot of other YouTubers create these videos and say it's now the time to buy. The short squeeze, they're going to give you all the short squeeze and Moaz talk. And look, that doesn't look like that right now. Okay, it doesn't look like it. Now, if you know how to scalp, if you understand how to trade the market, then you'll have to come in and look at the chart. You guys can see that we're already trending up pre-market, almost 3.5%, 3.25%. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, you can only go so low. That's why I'm looking. Eventually, the market price is going to try to go up in Ideanomics. I just don't see it yet. That's it. I just don't see it yet. It doesn't mean that it's not going to happen today. It doesn't mean that it's not going to happen tomorrow. But as of right now, I just don't see it. So, like I said, for you, if you can sit in front of the screen and actually see buyers into the market in Ideanomics, if you can actually see volume increasing here on the smaller time frame, then yeah, you could probably catch that. But for me, I don't look at the market because there's no opportunities here. I go to where opportunities are being seen. And once I see volume increase, once I see demand coming into the market for Ideanomics, when I see buyers appear, then we can possibly do a price prediction there. But right now, it's nothing here. Nothing at all. Okay, so that's just another quick update that I'm seeing into the market in Ideanomics. We need to focus our attention to where other people are moving the money. I don't see it here in Ideanomics. Give me your thoughts though. What do you think? Could Ideanomics become delisted? Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and as always, trade different.